Hello and welcome to this Apploye tutorial. Today we'll be exploring how the Remote Track panel works to monitor employee productivity. To start, log into your Apploye account and click on the Remote Track panel from the left sidebar. Within the Remote Track panel, you can view screenshots captured at intervals during work hours. These can be filtered by projects, tasks, employees, and date. Screenshot frequency can be adjusted under Settings. Check the Activity Analytics to see the level of activity, whether it's active, neutral, or idle. Color-coded percentages highlight productivity trends. The panel also displays which apps and websites employees use during work hours, showing detailed usage information for each. You can sort this out based on the project and task, individual team member, and date range. Note, if you add the video recording add-on, you will be able to view your employees' screen recordings from the Remote Track section. This is a paid add-on, and you can simply add it to your existing plan. That's how you use the Remote Track panel in Apploye. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials, check out our other videos.